2801.
So
oh my God,
fun.
I forgot I filled up my sled last time and I didn't ride.
Here, I'll Venmo you. Alright, you're out here with Deegan Van Dussen, Ryan, and Brett Peterson. We're going to not Petersville, just past there towards Cantwell. First time riding out there. Just told there's a foot of fresh snow. We'll find out for ourselves here in about 45 minutes. We'll check back in.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone. Turn my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe